Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. Welcome to Chris's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about how to use a shelf pin drilling jig. When you're building a cabinet that has adjustable shelves, you have to drill a whole bunch of holes that those pins ride in that hold the shelves up. A great way to do that accurately is to use a jig just like this one. It has a fence on it and it has evenly spaced holes that will guide your self-centering drill bit. You can make one of these yourself. It takes some time. By the time it's all said and done, you might just want to go buy one from the store. Here's the side of my cabinet. This is the inside, obviously. I want two rows of holes. So I'm going to index my fence on both edges. This is a self-centering drill bit. This has a tapered point that will ride directly in this hole and a spring-loaded action that will allow the bit to come down and make the hole. I start perfectly flush with the bottom. Drill my holes. If you want some added security, go ahead and stick a shelf pin in your first hole, and that will hold your jig in place. Now I just go down the line and drill all of my shelf pins, my holes, and then I come to the other side and again start from the bottom, keep the jig flush, drill my first hole. Sometimes that bit sticks on you, it gets some sawdust in there, just work it free. Drill my first hole, put a shelf pin in, drill all the subsequent holes. And here, when I want to move up, all I have to do is line up to a hole, put a shelf pin in, and I can keep on going as tall as I want. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Palmer. That's how you use a shelf pin drilling jig.